from the last session, we people are discussed the what is TypeScript.
Yes.
When we are supposed to write a TypeScript, what are the pre-representations are required and how to execute a TypeScript in VS Code editor we discussed, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So TypeScript is nothing but it is an object-oriented programming language and a syntax-based programming language. Okay.
Yes.
So basically this TypeScript is a superset of the JavaScript. Okay. It means it is going to be come up with some additional features on JavaScript. Okay. So
Yes.
these things we discussed last session, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you have any questions and confusions on here?
No confusion on this.
Yes. Thank you, Dhananjay. So today we are going to be start the session. So what is variable in TypeScript?
I have just one question. Yesterday
Yes,
we were seeing we
Yeah.
have seen that let and the other keywords were there.
Yeah.
So I guess they have only seen the let keyword. What about the other? There were other two keywords as well.
Okay.
We have not seen.
Yeah. Today we are going to be discuss the same things.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So today we people are going to be discuss the variable in TypeScript. So because of when you are supposed to write any kind of programming language, so we need some data to work within a programs. Or when we want to perform some operations on any kind of programming language, we need data. To store the data, we require the variable. Okay. So from the last session, so we people are already discussed. So what is TypeScript? How we are going to be configure the TypeScript in VS Code editor, how to execute. But today, when we are supposed to take a data and in a TypeScript programming language, we need a variable. Okay. So if anyone going to be asked, what is variable? So variable is nothing but it is a memory location of the input or data. Okay. Or some people are going to be call it as the variable is nothing but it is a container which is hold the data or value. So like this, if anyone going to be asking what is variable in TypeScript, we have to give the definition. Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Bharat.
Yeah, thank you.
Bharat.
Thank you, Avinash. Yeah. So when we people are going to be define the variable in a TypeScript, we have some keywords. Keywords in TypeScript to define the variables. So in a TypeScript, we have three keywords. One is var, let, third one is const. Okay. So in a TypeScript, when we want to define the variables, we have three keywords. One is var, let, and constant. Okay. So var is a keyword. So this keyword we can use it to define the variable in JavaScript and TypeScript both. Let is also a keyword to define the variable in TypeScript and JavaScript both. Constant is also a keyword when we define the variable in TypeScript and JavaScript both. Why I am mentioning the every time JavaScript and TypeScript means, so TypeScript is on the top of the JavaScript, it is come up with the additional features. That is the reason I'm comparing both when I'm discussing a particular concept. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. So we have to see how to use this var, let, const variables to define the TypeScript file. Okay. So just see how to define it. So when we are supposed to write a TypeScript program, so we need a VS Code editor. So I have already a VS Code editor in my system. So which is we created from the last two classes back. Right? So I hope everybody already installed this VS Code editor in your systems, right?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So without wasting your time, so I'll directly going to be jump into the to create a variables program. So simply select the file. Inside the file, we have to write it. So variables.ts. So variables.ts. TS stands for TypeScript extension. So simply take a one file like this. So here, when you are supposed to take a variable, so like like this we can where a equal to, we can take the data like this. So where a equal to 10. So when I'm supposed to taking the data like this, so what is mean by where? Alright? What is mean by where?
It's a keyword.
Where is a keyword, right?
Yes.
Where is a keyword? A is nothing but it is a variable. Okay, so where is a keyword in TypeScript to define the variables. So a is a variable. We are assigning the, in the place of a, some value is 10. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Sir, A
Yes.
is a variable name, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
So a is a variable name. So where is a keyword? So equal to 10. Equal is the assignment operator. We are assigning this 10 into this a. Clear, right?
Yes.
So here you have to remember one thing. When you supposed to take a data in a TypeScript, so TypeScript is a typed programming language, static typed programming language. So before assigning the data into variable, you must be specify the data type. What is the data you are storing? So a colon, I am taking the number. A colon, I am taking the number. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So if I'm supposed to take a variable as a variable a is equal to number 10. So data type is must and should when you are supposed to take the data in a TypeScript programming language, because of TypeScript is a static typed programming language. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So where a is equal to number 10. So same way, if you are supposed to use a let keyword, let number one equal to, so if I'm supposed to take again one more number, again you have to specify the data type. Simply put a colon number equal to, so here you can take any kind of number. So 1000 I'm taking. So see this, are we people are going to be getting any errors?
No.
All right? No.
No.
No. See, I hope you people are able to understand what is where, what is let, right? Yes.
But like so in JavaScript, so we can type the variables without data type, right?
Yes. That, yeah.
We can
So
do both, right? In JavaScript.
yeah. So I will tell
But
you that thing.
okay.
Yeah, Manoj, whatever the question you are asking, I'll tell you. So what it is means, in JavaScript, if you are supposed to take a variable, so without specifying a data type, we can directly take the data like this. So here I am not specifying the data type. So it means JavaScript syntax. But if you are supposed to take a one more time where num equal to 10, it is going to be also allowed. It is going to be also allowed. Is it clear?
Yeah, but like you are writing in the same .ts file, right? Like here you are able to assign it.
Yes, yes. JavaScript and TypeScript variables are same, but only the difference in TypeScript is when you assign the value in variable in a TypeScript, must be you have to specify the data type after the colon.
Okay, but like so here, like at line number 7, you specified without the data type. So
Yes, this is a JavaScript syntax.
okay, but like it still it accepts.
Yes, see why it is accept means TypeScript is come up with the same rules, same principles in JavaScript, right?
Yes, yeah, it is superset of JavaScript.
Yeah, it is a superset of the JavaScript. That's why it is going to be accepted.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, but in our session, we will are mainly focusing on TypeScript, right? So that's why always we have to prefer where a is equal to, with the data type, we can assign the data. Okay. So I hope you people are able to understand what is where, what is let, right? Okay, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes,
Just
we have
one
a,
question.
yes, please.
Just one question. Why we have written a given like var keyword for the h and let for the num1? We can do vice versa as well. Like
Yeah,
anything
we
can
can,
be done, or like for the particular, I mean, value
no,
only we are using var.
yeah, I will tell you. When you
Okay.
use a var, you can take any data. When you use a let, you can take any data. When you use const, you can take any data. As of now, everything is going to be allowing any kind of data if you are not specify the data type. See, a is equal to 10. It is a number, right? So
Yes.
num1 equal to number. Again, it is also a number, right?
Yes.
So, or if you are supposed to define the decimal also, yes, it can be accepted.
Right.
Number data type is going to be allow the both integers and decimals in the TypeScript. I will tell you what are the data types in we have TypeScript. We have a two types, built-in data types and so we have a non-primitive data types also. I will tell you that also tomorrow. But as of now, today just understand how can we take the data into a TypeScript with the keywords var, let and constant. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So even when you use a const also, yes, we can able to take. So const num2 equal to or colon number equal to, so we can able to specify n number of value. So see this, I am using the var let const three variables. In three variables, I specified the data type is number. Here we are assigning the 10, 10.645 and 10,000. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the way you have to take the variables in TypeScript with the data type. Why we are going to be prefer the data type in TypeScript means TypeScript is a typed programming language. When you are taking the data, type of the data is must and should. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
When you are specifying the type of the data, it going to be help us the compile time errors. Okay, this is the advantage of in TypeScript. That is the reason nowadays TypeScript is very popular. So if you are supposed to print the age number one, num1, num2, so by using a console.log we can. So here age, sorry, console.log num1, console.log num2. So like this we can. Okay. So now tell me, if I'm supposed to execute my TypeScript, what can I want to do? What can I want to do when I'm supposed to execute my TypeScript? So when you,
TSX command, we have to execute the command.
by using a terminal we can, but
Yes.
before using a terminal, must and should you have to check one time. So go to a file. Here the auto save is enabled or not.
Yes.
So if you are not save the TypeScript file, it's going to be through the compile time error. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah.
Yes. So when you are supposed to execute a TypeScript by using a terminal, we can simply select the terminal, new terminal. So here you just give the file name. So when I want to execute a TypeScript, what is the command? TypeScript executor. So our file name variable dot ts TypeScript dot slash variable dot ts. I am just preferring the my variable TypeScript file. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes.
Yeah, simply click on enter. So see this, my system it is going to be showing the error. See, it is showing the error because my TypeScript executor is not able to identify this one. So that time, what can I want to do? Simply select that file, right click on it, copy the path. So here, TypeScript executor.
One thing,
data-
Bharat, yesterday
Yes.
you told was specific file to execute, we need to slash and dot, right?
Yes.
Backward slash and dot, right?
Yeah.
I
You
think
gave
we are
that
using, I think,
forward
dot slash. I think we are using dot and
Yeah.
forward slash, right?
See, my system it is not working even backward slash and forward
No.
slash.
Okay.
Okay, so there is some error in backend. So I will
No,
fix.
that is fine, Bharat. But my
Okay.
question is, we need to use backward slash and dot, right?
Yes. So if your system, if you are supposed to focus on this particular folder, you have to put a dot first. Okay. After the dot, you have to put this backward slash. Or sometimes some systems are not going to be prefer this backward slash. So you need to be copy the path like this. Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes.
Simply click on enter. So now see this 10, 10.645 and 1000. Now we are successfully able to getting this output into my console, right? Or sorry, terminal, right?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So this is the way you need to be use the var let constant keywords to define the variables in TypeScript. Clear?
Bharat,
Yeah.
yes, it is clear. But actually, what is the difference between where, let, const, and at what time we have to use which one we have to select?
Yeah, Avinash. Now I am going to be telling that only.
Okay, done.
So, yeah. First, I will give the just a brief introduction. This I will tell you what is var, what is let, what is constant now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I think var is a one keyword. Just now we already discussed to define the variable, right? Okay.
Yes.
So when you create a, so if we create any variable by using the var keyword, it is a functional scope keyword. Functional scope. So if we create any variable by using the var keyword, that is a functional scope. So when you use var keyword in a TypeScript, so it is going to be accessible by the inside the function. Is it clear? What is function? I will tell you. But this line you are able to understand or not?
Yes, got it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will tell you what is function. So when I'm supposed to tell a function, so you have to select this all the lines and put a comment. So function is nothing but when we are supposed to work with any programming language, so we need some particular block. We need some particular block to execute the block of code. So in even the TypeScript also we have a one facility to create the block, that is a function. So function, to create a function by using a function keyword we can. So function, I have my function name is my function. So my function, so simply put the parenthesis and define the block. So this function is nothing but it is a block of code. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So when you have a one function like this, so if you are supposed to define a one variable, so like a var num1 equal to 100 or 1000. So this var keyword, we can use this entire function like this. Console.log var. Sorry, console.log num1. So now, what is num1? What is num1?
Variable name.
Num1 is a variable name. So in this num1, we people are assigning the 1000 value. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. When we supposed to execute this function, simply copy the function name. So after the function, you have to call like this. Okay. So this is the way you have to call the function in TypeScript. So function is nothing but it is a block. It's going to be accepted the multiple lines of code. Clear? So when you are supposed to execute this TypeScript file, so TypeScript executor, you need to be given path of the file. So see this, what is the value of num1 as of now? 1000. We people are successfully getting this num1 value in my terminal, right? As an output. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. But the same console.log, if I'm supposed to access the outside the function, it show the error. Is it clear?
Yes.
Same num1, if you are supposed to access the outside the function, it is showing the error. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It means when you define a one variable is a var num1 equal to 1000, this var variable is only functional scope. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Bharat.
Yes. So, and see this var is a functional scope, right? Because of we define the inside the function body. Yes or no? Inside the
Yes.
function body. Yes, right? But inside this function, if I have a one more block for a specific condition, so what it is means, so if I have a true, so I define the one block is a, if it is true, so inside this if I create this variable, yes, we can able to accept outside that block also. So if is a inside the function, there is a one more block. Is it clear? What is if? I will tell you. It is a conditional statement. So as of now, you don't know what is conditional statement, but now for your understanding purpose, what is where, when it is going to be used. That purpose I am telling what is where. So where is a one keyword to define the variable in TypeScript. This where keyword, if you use in a functional variable, so that is a functional scope. It means this entire function we can use anywhere. Is it clear or not? Online?
Clear.
Yes.
See, as of now, this if is a one conditional statement. Inside the conditional statement, I define the var num equal to 1000. Outside this condition also, we are able to accessing the num. Again, we are able to get it the output. See, if I'm suppose executed, again we are able to get it the output. See this, again we are getting right. Online, is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, but the same line, if I'm supposed to write a inside this condition also, we can able to get it. Is there any difference?
No.
It means when you define any variable is a var keyword, that variable we can able to access the entire the function because that is a functional scope. So, and also this variable is going to be allow the modify the data. Is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Basically, we can change value for this variable if
Yes.
that is within the function.
Yeah. So if you have a num is 1000, so outside the conditional statement, if you are supposed to change a num1 equal to 10, yes, it going to be accepted the num1 value is 10. So like this, we can reassign the value. Because of that num1 is a functional scope. Inside the function, we can access anywhere, we can modify anywhere. Is it clear?
So Bharat, like it is within the function only, right? So the
Yes.
num
Yes.
one is within the function, but it's like variable that where is only accessible within the function.
Yeah, actually, see this, when I define the line number 20, this inside the function, we are putting the one more block is a conditional function.
Okay.
If again I'm taking the line number 19 to line number 23 is a one more block. Inside the block, I define the var. It means initialization I given the inside the block. But
Yes.
I am using this num into the outside the if condition block we are accessing, but here we are modifying the data.
Okay.
That means var, when you use a var keyword to define the variable, that var keyword variable we can access entire the function anywhere. If you define inside the loop or outside the block also. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But
So
still,
this
like
is,
you can make a change within the if condition as well, right?
yes, even if condition also you can modify, outside the if condition also modify. Or suppose if you are not defining here this var, if you are defining outside the if condition block, even here also you have to modify the data. Num1 equal to 100, like this also.
Okay.
First time I initialize the variable num1 is equal to 1000, but inside the if block I change as a 100. Outside the if block again I am changing as the 10. See, n number of times we can able to change it like this.
Got it.
Is it clear?
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So see this, even if you are going to be continuously changing, yes, it is going to be accepted. So it will be printed like this output. So in a if block, inside the if block, the num value is 100. Outside the if block, I again modify the data. It is 10. Again, I am getting the 10. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, Bharat.
Yes. Thank you, guys. So, but if you create any variable is a by using let keyword, so I will tell you the difference. If we create any variable by using the let keyword, it is a block scope. Is it clear? Block. What is block means? So when I'm putting the if conditional statement, so here we are taking this some particular body of, right? So some particular body of this if condition, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So if you define any variable inside the block, that variable going to be accessible only that block, not outside the block. It can be accessible. Is it clear? So I will tell you. Yeah, I will tell you very simple way. The same like this. If I'm supposed to create one more function, so I have an addition. Is my function name. Okay. So in my addition function, I am putting the one conditional statement. So it is a true. If the conditional statement is a true, I am going to be give the some values like a let x equal to a 10, let y equal to a 20, let z equal to x plus y. Is it clear or not? Online, is it clear? Console.log. So here I am trying to print in the addition value z. So z. So see this where I define the let x, y, z inside the if block. Is it clear? Inside the if block. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes. See, when I define the any variable is a by using a let keyword, that is a let variable. So that variable scope is inside the block only. It means wherever you are going to be defined in a particular block, that block only we can access. See this, when I'm supposed to print a addition value z inside the if block, we can able to access directly like this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Bharat.
But if the same statement, if I'm right there outside the conditional statement, it is showing the error. Are you able to understand the line number 50? We are getting some error here.
Yes, Bharat, got it.
What is the reason for that is, so when you use any variable is a let, that variable can be accessed the only the block, not outside the block we can access. It means let is a block scope. It means inside the block only we can access, outside the block we can't access. But if you define any variable is a var, that var variable we can access entire the function wherever you are going to be defined. Is it clear? Online, is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, Bharat.
Okay, so this is a let keyword. So it is not acceptable. It throw the error. So see this. If I'm supposed to execute it, yes, we can successfully able to print the. Yeah. See, when I'm supposed to execute a one function, the function we have to must be called after the function like this. If we are not calling, it not execute. So see this, the addition value of z is 30. Are we people are able to successfully getting or not?
Yes.
So, or suppose here guys, one more thing. Or suppose if I define these variables, let variables, inside this function, So see this, what it is inside this function, what it is. As of now, it is a global variables. Even this block is also inside my function only, right?
Yes, Bharat.
That's why we are able to access in here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the way we have to differentiate the var and let. Okay. So if you are supposed to define this let and var outside the function, So like this, when you're supposed to define let x equal to 10, let y equal to 20, z equal to x plus y. So if you are supposed to access that inside the function, can we able to access it inside the function?
No.
No.
Because of those are a functional scope, right? Answer is no. Those are a functional scope or in functional scope?
Functional scope.
Functional scope. But if you define the outside that, then it's going to be converted as the, see this, cannot redeclare the block scope variable x. What it is saying? Cannot redeclare block scope variable x dot ts. First program dot ts. So x was also declared where, okay. Why it is showing error here? Alan, why it is showing error here?
Because that is already declared in the function.
Yeah, this var, let x, let y is already defined in my first program here. You see this?
But you said like we can redefine, right? Oh, sorry. I think we can redefine without let, right?
Yes.
Okay.
See, and also see this, in the first programs here already I used the x and y is a let keyword. Here we are assigning some values, right?
Yes.
But if I am again able to accessing the same x and y, it is showing the errors. Is it clear?
Okay.
But these are two different files, no? So how is it not allowing to?
Under the same folder, right?
Okay, because it is under the same folder, that's why it is not
Yeah.
allowing.
Yeah.
But how come it will? Because like in general, like if you have program two different Java files, so it will still allow, right? But like how come it?
Yeah, that is the reason only. From the beginning we discussed, when you define a variable in TypeScript, data type is must and should. Okay. And also when you define a variable in TypeScript, so this let is block scope.
Okay.
This let is block scope. But if you define a var, the var is functional scope that is not recommendable in modern TypeScript. You have to completely avoid to use var. It is not recommended.
Okay.
Modern TypeScript. So this is not my line. So if you are go to official website, in the official website we can able to see it. So var is going to be through the compile time errors multiple in a TypeScript programming. Because of if you define any keyword is a var, so that var variable can access into the everywhere inside the one file. That time it is automatically through the compile time errors. But if you use a let, it is a block scope. It means wherever you define that particular block only we can.
Okay.
Online is clear?
Yeah. But when you use var, right? Like can you access a variable
No,
that is
in a
var?
in a modern TypeScript, where we can completely avoid. Only we can prefer the let and const.
Okay.
So let is a one keyword. It is a block scope variable. We can prefer this let to define the variables. This let is going to be accepted to reinitialize the value also. Is it clear? Online, is it clear or not?
Yes.
When you say reinitializing, means like you mean like so within that file itself we can reinitialize, right?
Yes. And also variables we can define 4 different ways. I will tell you that also. Just give me a 5 minutes time. I will finish this.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So when you define the any variable like this, it is a functional scope. This is a functional scope. You got it right? Online, you got it or not? Up to here, you are clear, right? Any confusion?
Yes, no, Bharat, clear.
So why we are seeing that? Got it. This
Yeah.
Z1, right?
Yeah. So once if it is done, so the final one is const. What is const? Const is a one keyword. If any variable, if you create a const keyword, that is also a block scope. The same line you have to prefer. It is also a block scope. I hope you people are able to understand what is block scope. It means wherever you define the variable, inside the block only we can access, but outside the block we can't access. That is means it's a block scope. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Is it clear, right? So if I'm supposed to define a const a equal to any data, you have to take it. So if it is a duplicate, it is not allowed. Okay, even that a also is available, or emp equal to. So I'm going to be given one name. It's a string. Is it clear? Const emp equal to raw. This is a const variable. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If this const variable, if we are going to be defining inside the block, so that time first you need to be create one function. So the function name is name. So inside this function, we have to take a one more block. True. So this is a const variable. This const variable we can access the inside that function console.log emp. So here there is no error. Are you people are able to see it? Online? Are you people are able to see it?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So there is no error. But if the same const variable, if you are going to be accessed outside the block, it is showing the error. Is it clear?
Yes.
So it means const variable is also like related to the functional. Sorry, it is related to the block way.
Yeah, even the const variable is also a block scope. That is the reason I have given the same statement. If we create any variable by using the const keyword, that is block scope. Is it clear?
So what's like how we can decide like which one to use from?
Yeah, I will tell you. See, I'm already decided so this var keyword is not recommended in modern TypeScript. It is clear, right?
So I mean, we are not going to use var in any
Yes,
situation.
any situation. It
Okay.
is clear?
Yes.
Yes. But in this let and const, when we use let, when we const, I will tell you now. Okay.
Yes.
So let can be used to the when you have a one variable which is going to be very flexible to update or redefine the value. That time we can go with let. When we define the any variable, it is flexible to update and redefine the data. Redefine the data or value. That time we can use let. When we not update, when we not redefine the value, we can use const. Is it clear?
Bharat, difference between update and redefine.
Yeah, I'll tell you. That is also
Okay.
not update when we not redefine. Is it clear? Const means constant value. It is a fixed value. We never change in future.
Okay. So it is more kind of static, like we.
Yes,
we are not
static.
going Okay.
Yeah, static, standard value. When you use a constant, so this is static.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
And one more thing. So letter. Yeah. So and here also you have to tell one line. I will change here one more thing. So when we use a let, so if we want to define the value flexibly to don't use this keyword update and redefine. We have to say, okay, 1 minute. I will tell you the differences between. So here, how many ways to define the variables? Ways to define the variables. So when we people are supposed to define a variables in TypeScript, so there is a 4 ways. Okay. So one is, so first way is by defining the both. The first way is by defining the both initialization and value, type and initialization value. So what is type and initialization? What is type and initialization? Online? What is type and initialization? So let my name equal to my name colon string equal to John. It is the way we can define the type of the value and initializing the value. This is nothing but, so this is a one approach to define the variable in TypeScript. So by using a type of the data type and value of the data type. Is it clear? Alright, are you people are able to understand? And second one is
Yes.
yes. So in a TypeScript we can define the variable only the type. Only the type. So without value. So let. So I'll take a variable name as num1 colon number. So here RP people are defining any value in num1.
No.
So this is the way also we can able to define the variable in TypeScript. After that we can able to assign the value. After that we can able to assign the value like this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
See, it means assigning the value. So first time we are not assigning any value in num1, but next line itself we are assigning. It means only the type. After that we are assigning the value. So if you are supposed to store num1 equal to, so any name, Playwright. So RB people are able to take a string in num1. The type of the string is not assignable to the number. So let num equal to a number, but you are assigning the string. It is not acceptable, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So can we use like float value over here? Will
Yes,
it take?
yes, we can use. See, number can allow the both decimals and integers
Okay.
in a TypeScript. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So then third way is when you are supposed to define a variable in TypeScript, only the initializing the value. Only the initializing the value, like let num2 equal to 1000. So RB people are specifying the type of the value this num2. Are we people are specify the type? So in
No.
num2, we are assigning the 1000. The next line onwards, num2, if we are supposed to store a like what TypeScript. So what did it happen? What did it happen?
So why it is showing error for num2?
The type of the string is assignable to the number. So number num2 already is a number. By default, it is taken the number data type, right?
Yes.
By default, number, this is taking the number data type. But if you are assigning the string, it is not acceptable. Yes or no?
Okay, so we have not. Okay, got it.
See, it is showing this. Let num2 number data type. By default, it is taking the number data type. So if you define it without specifying the data type, if you are directly assign the value in a JavaScript, by default, it is going to be taking the data type dynamically. Automatically, it assign the data type. Is it clear?
Yes.
So that's why it is not allowed. But if you are supposed to change the data 2000, is it accepted or not?
It will accept.
It will accept it, right? It means we have to modify.
But Bharat, then there is no need to mention like a specific data type. It is automatically taking now.
When it is automatically taking, but in going forward, when we are going to be working a real time, so one variable is going to be allow the any kind of data. There is a difficulty to get the specific values in a specific automation testing.
Okay.
So that's why data type is must and should in a when you define the variables in TypeScript.
Okay, Bharat, got it.
Yeah. So if you are supposed to define the variables in TypeScript, so by using both type of the data and initializing the value, we can define, and only the type, then next we can assign the value, or only the initialization value also we can define. Then the last one is without type, without initializing the value also we can. Without type of the data and initializing the value. Like this also we can define. Like what? Sorry. Let emp. Like this also we can. So now we are not specifying the type of the variable and we are not giving the any value of the variable. Yes or no?
Yes.
Online? Is it yes or no? Online, yes or no?
Yes.
Bharat.
Yeah. So, and one more thing is, when you people are supposed to differentiate the variables in a TypeScript. So here there is four things. One is the scope. Another one is reassigning and redeclaration. Okay. So scope, when you use any variable is a var. Any variable is a var. So what is the scope of this variable? Functional scope. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, but when you use a let, what is the scope of this let?
Block.
Block of the scope, right? Block of the scope, right?
Yes, sir.
So, but what is the difference between this means? Where can access anywhere we can modify, but let we can define only the block and we can access only the block. It is going to be reassign the value. Redefine the value and chappadam kanna we have to change this keyword as a when we want to define the any variable if flexible to reassign. Okay, so this sentence you have to change.
So,
Yes.
but like even where kuda we can reassign kada.
Yeah, we can where kuda reassign cheyochu. మనము var యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఫంక్షనల్ స్కోప్ కావడం వలన ఎన్ని బ్లాక్స్ పెడితే అన్ని బాక్స్లలోకి యాక్సెసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్క బ్లాక్ లో ఒక్కొక్క వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మనం లాస్ట్ లో ఏదైనా ఒక యాక్షన్ అనేది పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి అంటే అప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది.
Okay, yes.
సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ నేను సెంటెన్స్ మారుస్తున్నాను. అంటే ఒకే సెంటెన్స్ చెప్తే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారని చెప్పి వెన్ వి డిఫైన్ ది ఎనీ వేరియబుల్ ఇఫ్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ టు రీఅసైన్.
Okay.
సో దట్ టైమ్ వీ కెన్ గో విత్ లెట్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yeah.
భరత్ వేర్ లో రీఅసైన్ రీడిక్లేర్ రెండు అవుతాయి.
Ah,
లెట్ లో ఓన్లీ రీఅసైన్ అవుతుంది, రీడిక్లేర్ అవుతుంది, అంతే కదా?
yeah.
ఓకే.
సో వారిలో మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుంటే రీఅసైన్ చేయొచ్చు, రీడిక్లేర్ చేయొచ్చు, రెండోసారి కూడా డిఫైన్ చేయొచ్చు. సో లైక్ వాట్ అంటే, సో లెట్ x ఈక్వల్ టు 10. ఓకే, సారీ ఇది వార్ కదా, సారీ. సో var x equal to 10. Again you have to use same var x equal to inside the single quotes you have to 10. So this is the way we can redeclare the same variable. So both times we are using the xx, right?
Yes, right.
So we are redeclaring the same thing, but we are changing the value. Like this also we can. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat, it's clear.
But the same mechanism is not possible into the let. Let is not accepted. Let is not accepted. Because of already this x is going to be having the 10, right? But if you again redeclare the let x equal to 10, it is not acceptable. Is it clear? Declaration is not accepted. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
But
Bharat.
like we can
update.
initialize without let, right?
Yes. So just we have to update the data
Okay.
or reassigning the data.
Okay.
So like this we can reassign. So the same x, we can, if you are suppose not define the data type, yes, we can able to reassign it like this. Is it clear? So here I am not specifying the, again the keyword is let. Yes or no?
Got it.
Okay, any confusion? Alright, any confusion? But
No,
see
Bharat.
here, sorry, అర్థం కాలేదా?
It's clear.
Yeah, so but const variable is not flexible to update and redefine the data. We can't redeclare. Only one time if you want to give a value, if it is a fixed, yes, we can go with const. Got it? Online, yes or no?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah, so here you people are going to be remember this thing. We can reassign the value. Here we can redeclare and reassign the values. Here we can redeclare and reassign the values. So that's why where we can completely avoid. So let we can prefer. So when we want to reassign, yes, we can go with the let, but redeclaration is not possible. So if you have a fixed values, we can go with const. Are you able to understand now? Sorry, guys, are you able to understand?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. Any confusion, anyone? Dhananjay, Manoj?
No. So could you please share those notes with us?
Yeah, I will share. No worry.
Please. Okay.
Same thing. I'll show you in a Copilot something it is. So what is variable and types of variables and difference between each variable in TypeScript. So just your understanding purpose, just I will show you. So So see this guys. Whatever the things we discussed just now, again the same things in Copilot. What it is saying? A variable is a symbolic name for a value that can be stored and manipulated in the program. In TypeScript, begin a superset of JavaScript allow you to declare the variables optional type annotation for better type safety. Better type safety. It means data type is must. It is saying data type is must. TypeScript let a is equal to number equal to 30. Is it clear? Online, is it clear? Are they there or not? Yeah. Yeah. So just you have to see this. What we discussed, what Google is going to be saying. Okay. So the types of variables, declarations in TypeScript, var let constant. See, var is a functional scope. So it is reassigned. Okay. Hosting but undefined. So legacy code avoid in modern TypeScript. Already I told. So var keyword you have to avoid in modern TypeScript. Is it clear? Because of it's going to be showing the lot of compile problems. That is the reason we can avoid. Is it clear or not?
Yes, Bharat. Bharat, what do you mean by hosting?
Hosting is nothing but so when we discuss in it some functions, that time we can able to discuss.
Okay, done.
Yeah, as of now not required. So then we have a let. Let is a block scope. I already told. So when you define any variable, so by using a let keyword, so if that is a block, inside the block only we can access. Okay, it going to be supported the reassignment. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, and not hosted, performed for multiple variables. So most recommendable is let. When you are supposed to modify, changing the data or reassigning the data, we can go with the let. Okay, or const. Const is a block scope. It is not reassignment, not hosting. Preferred for constants. It means fixed values. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Right? Yes. Differences between var, let, and constant. Var functional scope accessible throughout the function. I already told. Can be redeclared and assigned. Redeclared and assigned. Okay. Risk due to unpredictable behavior in the block scope. Unpredictable means we can't expect where it is changed, where it is going to be a fixed. That is the reason it is less preferred in modern TypeScript. Is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes,
So
Bharat.
yes, guys, just please yes or no.
Yes,
Because for your strong understanding purpose, I'm just explaining. Then let block scope limited to the block, wherever it is declared. When you define any variable by using a let keyword, if it is a block that can accessible only the block, can be reassigned but not redeclared in the same scope. Redeclared means don't use the same variable name again one more time same keyword. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes. Not posted like var, so safe and more preferable and predictable. Is it clear? So compared to var and let, var is more recommendable to use to define the values in TypeScript. Is it clear?
Let. Yes.
Yes, let. Sorry.
Okay.
Then const. Const is also a block scope, like a let, cannot be reassigned or redeclared. Is it clear? Cannot be
Yes, Bharat.
reassigned or redeclared. Must be initialized at the time of declaration. Ideally for values that should not change. If any value is constant, if you are not going to be changed, then we can prefer the const. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. So whatever the things we discuss, the same things here we are going to be getting. So you can go to anywhere, you can able to see the same things. This is the only difference between this var, let, const in TypeScript programming. By using these three keywords only, we can declare the variables. Any questions?
No, Bharat, it is clear.
Yeah. So anything else? Please, if you people are going to be facing any issues, please let me know. I'm not going to be saying this is only you have to fix. Yes.
But I don't see the recording for yesterday uploaded.
Okay. I will check one more time. I will update directly.
It's
Yeah.
better, Bharat. If you upload, it's
Yeah.
better.
Okay, Bharat.
Yeah. See guys. Actually, if after completion of this class, to download this recording in my internal server, it is taking the 30 to 40 minutes of time.
Okay.
After that, again, it is going to be taking the 10 to 20 minutes of time to your drive. So that is the reason it may be taking the lot of gap.
Okay.
Okay. So you don't worry. I will update directly to you.
Okay. Update yesterday's in today's also.
Yeah.
Okay. Bharat. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
So
you.
guys, I hope you people are able to understand, right?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So I need only one thing from you. You people are just to practice only let and construct. You can completely avoid while.
Okay.
Okay.
Because of in modern TypeScript, we are not using. So, but you have to know what is the differences between var, let, and const.
Yes.
So these things is enough. And also here we already discussed. So in TypeScript, we can able to define the variables here 4 ways. So this is just for your understanding purpose. So anyway, you have to use your wish.
Okay.
But data type is must because of TypeScript is a type of programming language. For type safety, we are using data type. So tomorrow I will tell you what are the data types in Java or TypeScript we have. So every language we have a data types. So we need them to specify the data. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah, guys. One by one, if you people are having any doubts, please let me know. I think Manoj is left.
No, but it is clear.
Yes, it's clear, Bharat. As of now,
Thank
no
you, guys.
issues. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. So if you are going to be facing any issues, please in WhatsApp. I will respond.
Sure.
Okay, done. Thank you so much.
Thank you.